What do you think is that? This is the new unboxing video of the new model GT08. And this one is a 5600 watt dual motor electric scooter. Let's get started. All right. All right. See that? Okay, let's get started. Almost done. So you got to be careful, and at the same time, we understand that this is for our safety, right? That's what it is. There are no scratches. There is nothing wrong with the, oh, I was going to say bicycle, with the bike, with the scooter. Everything is, these are some protection mounts. Okay. Okay, that's the second one. What is that? That's a side stand, I suppose. No, it's not. An extension pipe. Probably it's an extension pipe for the seat. That's right. That makes sense. Yeah, that's the one. Let's get it open. What is that? That feels light. Probably something not very important. Okay, what is that? Oh, that's a side stand cover. That's the one. Okay, this one is a charger, I suppose. That's the one. Okay. 8. That's what I said earlier. Manual book. Don't forget, safety first. Okay. Almost done. Almost there. Okay. And here we go. These are side blinkers. That's right. Okay, almost there. Basically the stuff that you can carry with you right here, and all the bolts and screwdrivers, everything that you need for the installation. Here we go. Okay then, let's get it done here. Okay. Oh yes. Let's get it done. Side stand cover, but we got to get it fixed, right? That's why we got this right here. Okay, one and oh wow. More, and these ones are gonna use. Okay. Okay, where's the place right here? Okay, see the one and two. Okay. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay. Here's this mount. You have to take it off, all right? And then you put it on. And once you got all your bolts and nuts tightened, the next thing is this lever right here. Can you see that? Right below your seat. So we got to press it in and put the seat into this right position. Our toolbox. Let's hang it on. Okay, one and two. And it goes right through. Okay. One here. Okay. Then the second one. As follows. Okay. So as I said earlier, this is a 5600 watt e-scooter. That's the one, that means that we have two motors, the front one and the back one. And the bike is gonna take you up to 50 miles per 1 hour. That's impressive, right? So let's take a look at the buttons right here. So we've got some buttons right here. So this is eco mode, there's a turbo mode, there's a single or dual motor modes. That's right, that's how cool it is. And single mode. See, only one is rotating right now. You want to get yours? Get it now.